guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. So today's video is going to be about this wig that was sent to me from Myfirstwig. I did receive bobby pins, a comb, hair clips, a wig cap, a foldable wig stand, conditioner, and flyaway tamer. The name of the wig that we will be working with today is MFB003. The hair texture is Yaki. The length is 9 inches. The cap construction is a full lace wig. The lace color is light brown. I'll have all of the information, direct links, and promo codes to this wig directly down below in the description box. So Myfirstwig now offers a new version of Swiss lace available on all of their wigs. Now you don't have to worry about wearing a wig cap or having any type of fake scalp added onto your wigs, because these wigs with the new updated Swiss lace are ready to be worn straight out of the package. I want to show you guys a side-by-side of the wig that was sent to me from Myfirstwig, which is on your left, and the wig that I was sent from a different company, which is on your right. As you can see, there is a huge difference between the two laces. The one on your left is completely transparent, it's thinner, it's durable, and it melts easier into your skin for a flawless install because it disappears directly onto your skin. Whereas the one on the right does not completely melt in your skin, and it does not disappear once placed on top of your skin. So here's how the wig looks straight out of the package and placed straight onto your head. It's a really cute tapered bob cut. However, I don't feel like this left side part is really flattering to my face shape. So I'm just going to play around with the wig and see if I want to change the direction of the part, if I want to do a middle part, if I want to do a flip over method. And after playing around with it, I feel like the flip over looks much better on my face shape. So that's the style that we're going to stick to. But I do want to show you guys that this is a full lace wig, so you can do different hairstyles with it. Obviously, you can part it anywhere on the entire wig cap. Straight out of the package, the wigs from Myfirstwig are already ready to be installed. The knots have been fully bleached for us, and the hairline has been pre-plucked. However, I do like to go ahead and customize my wigs a little bit more so that it can mimic my hairline flawlessly. So the first thing that I'll be doing is my zigzag method of plucking. I do have a full tutorial on this. If you're interested in seeing that, I'll have the link somewhere down below or somewhere on the screen for you to click on. I'm just going to breeze past this part. So I'm going to show you really quickly how the hairline was looking on the left, the middle, and the right sides of this wig. And then I'm going to show you the after results of the zigzag method. So now that we're finished plucking the hairline, it's now time for us to customize the lace color. I'll be grabbing my custom lace tint and spraying 2 layers of that lace tint onto the under portion of this wig and then blow drying it in between each layer. I have a full tutorial on both of these methods posted already on my channel. If you are new, make sure you check my channel for more information. Okay, so moving on to styling, I'll be grabbing a heat protector, smoothing that throughout the hair, and then in small sections, I'll be going over each section with my flat iron. To finish off this hairstyle, I am grabbing the flyaway tamer that was included with my package, and I'm just going to grab my pressing comb and smooth those hairs back for a polished look. Okay, so now that the wig is fully prepped, it's time to install. The first thing that I'm going to do is grab the Got2b in the black tube, the Ultra Glue Gel, styling gel. And I am grabbing this because my cornrows are old and I do wash my cornrows in between getting them cornrowed. So my cornrows are elevated and my hair has become frizzy. So I am just going to use that gel just to make sure that all of my hair is going out of my face so that I can have a better view of my hairline. Okay, so now I'm just going to grab some alcohol and wipe away any extra gel that I may have on my forehead and any extra oil that I may have there as well. Next, I'm just going to grab the wig and try the wig on. I'm going to make sure that the wig is in the proper placement that I'm looking for, making sure that all the combs are lined up and everything is how I want it to be. So next, I'm grabbing a pair of scissors and I'm going to cut the extra lace into 3 sections. I'm grabbing an alligator clip and I am going to pin the left and right sections out of my face. I'm going to grab the middle section and pull the wig backwards to expose my hairline. Instead of using glue, we will be using gel today. I am using Got2b in the yellow tube. I am going to smooth one layer of that gel onto my hairline and then blow dry it so that it is tacky. If you would like this wig to stay on longer than a few hours or maybe a day, you would have to use more than one layer of this gel. Okay, so now that we got that lace melted into our skin, the only thing left to do is to cut away the extra lace. I am going to grab an eyebrow razor and take my time going along the natural hairline of this wig and cutting away that extra lace. I did add some baby hairs to my temples and then I put my headscarf on for a few more minutes and here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and I'll have all of the information, promo codes, and direct links to this wig down below in the description box, so check down below before you leave, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Beige, yeah, that's right. It's beige,